Samsung Galaxy S2 i9100 Disassembly, screen replacement and repair. Remove your back cover, battery, SIM and memory card. Now remove and screw C, circled below. Next, slide something thin and flat all the way round the join of the front cover in an anti-clockwise direction, as shown below. This is battery compartment. With the battery compartment removed, your phone should look like below. Ribbon cutters, circled below, need to be disconnected. Each attaches like a plug and socket. Just lever each one up to unplug. On the left and right side of the phone are the power and volume micro switches, indicated by the arrows below. These are permanently connected to the circuit board to stuck to the side of the housing with side tape. Carefully peel them away from the side of the housing, leaving them connected to the circuit board. Next, remove the circled screws and you can then lift the circuit board free. Now peel back the ribbon indicated the arrow. It's held in place with double-sided tape. Then remove the two circled screws. Use your plastic tool to lift the blue circuit board out. Below you can see the blue circuit board has been removed. Use your screwdriver to lever the ringer and earpiece from the points indicated by the arrows below. The ringer and earpiece removed, your phone should look like below. Another ribbon, indicated by the arrow, needs to be peeled back. It's held in place with double-sided tape. The front-facing camera, circled below, should be lifted up slightly. To remove the screen, you first need to apply some heat to the front of the screen using a hot air gun or hairdryer. Do this for about 60 seconds. Then push your screwdriver into the recess where the front-facing camera sits. This will raise the screen slightly from the other side, allowing you to slide your plastic tool under it. Run your plastic tool under one side of the screen, indicated by the dashed line. Keep away from the area the screen will damage the ribbon cable. Keep applying more heat to the screen and it will start to free. Now push your plastic tool right under the screen, as shown below. Keep applying more heat and the screen will gradually free. Lift the screen up, carefully sliding the two ribbons, indicated by the arrows, through the housing. The screen has now been removed from the frame. The ribbon for the home button soft key sensors needs to be carefully peeled away from the back of the screen. Apply some heat first. The ribbon cable has now been removed and the home button itself will simply fall out of the back of the screen, as shown below. Disassembly is now complete. Reverse the whole procedure for reassembly. If you've found this disassembly guide useful, please support formimobile.co.uk and order the tools and parts you need from our site. We ship worldwide.